Hello, it's me, Diva Queen. Hey guys, it's me, Diva Queen, back with another video. And today, I'm getting so used to saying Diva Queen, and if I change my name, then it's not gonna be good. So today, I'm gonna show you something tragic. So I was walking home from school, right? It's so pretty outside. So I'm outside. My bus stop is over there, around the corner, and I'm just walking home down the street like dun 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 dun. What happened? What happened? Oh my gosh, what happened? What has happened? I'm just like, okay, let's go see if there's any more damage to this bird. I don't know if this is the same bird or not, because I'm pretty sure it's not, because those are white. And whoa, this is a lot. So many flies around it. Like, it's so innocent. What has this bird ever done to you? Then there's a feather over there. But still, it's so sad. Oh my goodness. It's so sad. Yeah. It's just a short little vlog. I'm not gonna end it now, because there's still like a ton of feathers. So I'm trying to figure out what killed it. I don't know, I'm pretty sure it was a cat. Or something, because, sorry, I have a stuffy nose. Because, over here, so that bird over there, I'm pretty sure either a cat killed it or something else killed it, because literally, let's just take an airplane break. Really? Stupid airplane. Anyway, this is the bird. Sorry there. But the thing is about that poor little bird, it didn't harm anyone. Didn't harm you. Didn't harm you. Didn't harm you in the blue jacket. Didn't harm you. So who did it harm? I'm pretty sure it was probably a cat, because like cats love like love their dogs. But the thing is, like, this poor bird, what has this bird ever done to you? Let's go look at this flock of feathers again. Let's just look at the beautiful scenery on the ground. Big shadow. These poor little bird feathers. What has happened? Ooh. Ow! I just stepped on a hard rock. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Make the button go from red to gray. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Smile and be kind. Bye.